The sheet sanders are small, lightweight machines you can move around comfortably. They are similar to the smaller belt sanders in that they present the sandpaper below the machine and in a square or rectangular shape. Instead of looping around the base, the sheet sanders most commonly vibrate, or even produce an orbital movement. In this video, we will show you guys the 7 best sheet sanders you could buy now. All of their links are available in the description box if you are interested. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 7. DeWalt DCW200B20V MAX *XR Palm Sander. The DeWalt DCW200B20V MAX *XR Palm Sander is a powerful and efficient electric sander with variable speed control from 8,000 and 14,000 OPM. Its low profile height allows for precise sanding, and its paper clamp is designed to hold paper and allow easy installation securely. The dust-sealed switch protects against dust ingestion for longer switch life, while the texturized rubber over mold grip ensures comfortable sanding. The sander also features a one-handed locking dust bag and a dust port directly fitting the DWV010 or DWV012 dust collectors. It features a ball-bearing construction extending the machine's life considerably. The low profile height of the 1 and 4 sheet sander allows the user to get close to the work surface for precise sanding. The grip on top is textured to prevent your hand from slipping and handles the motor vibrations very well, so you won't get fatigued quickly. Number 6. Makita BO3710 Sheet Finishing Sander. The Makita BO3710 Sheet Finishing Sander has always made great machines. The BO3710 is no exception. It's a bit bigger than the 1x4 sheet sanders. Using a 1 and 3 sheet sandpaper sheet is useful when dealing with bigger surfaces and objects. It handles very well and features an ergonomic grip and a built-in counterbalance system to maximize comfort and reduce vibration. This sheet sander also has a dust collecting system, which will dramatically reduce dust waste and keep your working environment clean. It also has a convenient lock on the power button, so you don't have to press it constantly. Its 190 watts makes the sander do 11,000 orbits per minute, delivering a smooth finish to the piece you're working on. The Makita BO3710 is a great, inexpensive, 3-sheet sander with power and quality. It can deal with bigger surfaces than smaller 1x4 ones. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER DEX 300 Sheet Orbit Sander. The BLACK+DECKER DEX 300 Sheet Orbit Sander releases a very inexpensive, solid entry-level beginner's sanding machine. Their DEX 300 sheet sander is small but well constructed with a great built-in dust collector to maintain a clean work area and air. When it comes to power, the small 2.0 amp motor can put out 16,000 orbits per minute. Lock the sander into the on or off position for convenient one-handed use. This handheld sander on wood, metal, and plastic for finish sanding, surface preparation, and detail work. 1x4 sheet sanding pad size and lackluster materials can be a deal breaker if you intend to sand large surfaces or bigger pieces or need to remove any harder material. The affordable makes it a good tool for beginners or occasional users. The soft grip paddle switch is positioned at the top of the sander for natural and easy on and off. Number 4. Bosch GSS20-40 Orbital Finishing Sander. The Bosch GSS20-40 Orbital Finishing Sander, 1x4 sheet sander, is quickly rising in popularity, and with good reason. The sander trademark quality and performance at a stunning price. The GSS20-40 features a 2-amp motor that produces up to 12,000 oscillations per minute, giving you plenty of power while maintaining a lightweight and easy-to-use frame. It's comfortable to use due to the rubberized contoured grip. It's also comfortable with dust collection, as the little canister does a fantastic job cleaning up the particles. This ensures low vibration and stable handling for secure user control. The ergonomics of the sander enhance comfort for the user and long-term applications. The GSS20-40 features a dust collection system with a microfilter dust canister and a screw-off cap. The sander has a reliable clamping and pad design that accepts multiple sanding sheets. Number 3. Makita BO4550 6-sheet finishing sander. With the Makita BO4550 6-sheet finishing sander, you have a 1x4 sheet sanding pad that runs at an impressively fast 14,000 OPMs due to its small but potent 2-amp motor. This puts a smile on your face. It's just as good as you'd expect from Makita, featuring a comfortable grip, great dust collection, an effective clamping system, and a built-to-last body. It's also very handy due to its lightweight size, preventing you from getting tired quickly. It has great vibration control and good ergonomic handles not to fatigue you. While it already has a pretty good built-in dust collector, you can easily hook up a vacuum hose for top-quality dust collection. Its efficient dust collection system ensures a cleaner work environment, while contoured grips provide added comfort. The sound and vibrations are heavily tamed, which makes for a much better user experience overall. Number 2. SKIL SR232301. The SKIL SR232301 comes with a 1.2-amp motor and 13,500 orbits per minute. It's able to deliver a smooth performance over a variety of sanding applications. This 4-in-1 detail sander comes with an additional 3 detail attachments for fine finishing large surfaces, corners/edges, and any surface contour. These attachments are easy to change with no tool needed. Between its microfiltration system and the 1 1/4 dust port for vacuum attachment, you can choose your preferred way to keep dust away. Through its ergonomic design and a soft rubber grip, your hand stays comfortable while counterweight balance reduces hand fatigue from vibration. Also that you can work longer. This nimble sander has the power and sophistication to deliver fine finishes on any surface contour, all while collecting the dust to cut down on mess. Number 1. SKIL 7292-2002. The SKIL 7292-2002 is the perfect tool for faster stock removal and smooth results when you're putting the finishing touch on your project. The pressure control indicator lets you know when the right amount of pressure is applied and warns you when there's too much. The pad brake eliminates gouging. Microfiltration captures and contains fine dust particles to keep your work surface cleaner. A sealed switch keeps dust out of the tool for a long life. The dust canister is clear, removing the guesswork of figuring out when to empty it. The sheet sander is perfect for faster stock removal and smooth results for your project. Microfiltration captures and contains fine dust particles to keep your work surface cleaner. Make sure to check the description box for all the links regarding the mentioned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We will be back with more videos soon.